What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, it's more of a spontaneous video, to be honest. I just got off work. I cleaned the inside of my Supra, and my buddy Andrew hit me up. Apparently, our friend Eric wants to go buy a Mustang, and Eric doesn't know how to drive manual. So we're gonna go with him and test drive the car with him because he doesn't know how to drive manual. But yeah, that's pretty much the video. We're just gonna go car shopping, see if he cops the car or not. I don't know if it's from a dealership or a private seller or what, but I gotta kind of hurry and meet Andrew at his place, and then we're all gonna get in a car together and go pick it up, or check it out, I guess. But yeah, anyway, let's get into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, you guys, I just pulled up at Andrew's crib. So what's up, boy? Gotta pose.
Just that 6'6" long dick slim nigga sticking your chick.
What's up, boy?
Yeah, I forgot your stuff.
Dad stuff.
No, don't show the video.
Don't show it yet?
Don't show the video.
You don't think so?
No, wait.
Wait, let it be a surprise.
Yeah, you gotta wait.
But it'll probably have to be in the title. I'll probably have to be like buying.
Facebook Marketplace car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it off Facebook Marketplace?
I'm going to cut like 2 holes in the hood and have the turbo sticking out.
You'd have to throw a fucking filter on it though, that way the turbos don't pick up shit. Because it is Texas.
He's just testing the waters, is what he said, and like, worst come to worst, he'll just stick out.
Yeah.
So he's not like hard up to start or anything.
Fuck with the interior. The interior's clean as fuck. Yeah.
Dude, it's a steal for this car.
Huh?
It's a steal for this car.
Yeah.
So, does have to have this. That's right, back. We're gonna joyride.
Mine was faster. My Civic was probably faster too, but I hit a tree going about 130.
I had the Coyote in there.
Oh,
I
damn.
totaled it with no front end off of it.
See, I told him mine. I hit a tree going 130 one night. I got fucked up.
Damn it, dude.
Yeah, now I'm on probation.
Yeah. With no Mustang.
Yeah, with no. Yeah, shit sucks.
You gotta drive a manual, right? Huh? You gotta drive a manual, right?
He's actually learning that too.
Run 8.7 in the 8th mile, and top speed about 95.
That's what's up. What track do you go to?
I went to XRP.
Nice. I haven't been to a track here yet, and I've been wanting to check some out.
XRP, Yellow Belly,
Nice.
Red Line.
Yeah, this dude's got a Supra.
Yeah, we looked around the Mark V, the newer
My buddy
ones.
has a 2021 Supra. I don't know what you think about them.
Yeah, I got the 2021 3.0.
3.0?
Yeah. Is that why you're trying to get rid of it? Yeah.
All my friends have 5.0 scat packs, fucking VMP blown, supercharged 5.0. Can't do shit. I fucking way back then, I got a Prius. This is bullshit.
All right, so honestly, we just come back in from Chick-fil-A. I got a
You
lemonade.
didn't get the car, by the way.
Yeah, no car. I don't think it's worth it, honestly. But.
I mean, it was a nice car. It was fast and shit, but the guy said he would smoke scat packs in it, and he like showed us a video of him at a drag strip with a scat, and he beat it, but we couldn't tell if it was really a scat or not. And he said his car was only 300 horsepower, and it honestly was just loud as fuck, way like torquier than actual fast, if that makes sense.
A Mustang.
Yeah, and then when I told him I had a Supra, his mood kind of changed a little bit too. But yeah, I don't know. But anyway, what were you saying?
But yeah, we just got back in the car from Chick-fil-A. You know, they got
Can you hand me that other sandwich?
you got all their shit, but all I got was a lemonade. We sat down, started sipping on the lemonade. First drink,
Yeah,
got a fucking fingernail.
And there's a straw.
Disappointment.
Man, I got my personal server right here. Yo.
Chick-fil-A's officially let me down.
Oh, did you already say there was a fingernail? Yeah, no, there was. He's not even capping too. Like there was.
I sat it down on the table, asked him, I was like, yo, what is this?
He's like, do you know what this is? And he's like,
Put it out of
No.
his mouth. all that good stuff, you know.
I had a large and I threw my shit away. Fuck that.
He was debating it too. He was like, oh,
I took
shut
like
up,
a few
no.
sips afterwards, and after a while,
On our
just,
way
like,
out the door, he just like,
debating.
nope,
Yeah.
throw it in the trash.
Fuck that, dude. That's a fucking fingernail.
Those spicy chickens don't fucking play around.
Is it that spicy?
Yeah, y'all got some milk.
Shit is.
This is a family
Shit's fucking.
friendly fucking channel.
This is a friendly fucking channel.
Family friendly.
Fucking channel.
Fucking channel.
Oh, I didn't. You gotta edit, you gotta
realize
edit
you
that
said
part
that.
out, my bad.
Dude, this is a big ass Pizza Hut, honestly.
That's a big ass Pizza Hut logo. What is the Pizza Hut logo?
A hat
Is it?
like that. I think it's a hat, right?
That's what we've always thought. I feel like
I mean, is it a hat? It's an old ass looking hat, you know.
that's like a. That's like a.
Like a cowboy hat.
It's like
on
a
the
hay
side.
hat, honestly,
Yeah.
like a straw hat.
Now look who creeping, look who crawling, still ballin' in the mix. It's that 6'6" long dick slim nigga sticking your chick.
All right, you guys, I just got back to my house. I was about to be editing the video and I forgot that I didn't make an outro. So this is the outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that smash button. Make sure to smash the like button. Also hit subscribe and turn on push notifications so that you are alerted whenever your boy posts a new video. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any like video ideas or requests or anything like that, comment it down below. Let us know how you enjoyed the video. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.